Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Third time, judgy left, twisted right. You've got me so hypnotized. We both.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been a very busy week, so I haven't been able to film as much as I thought I was going to be able to, but I'm still going to give you a Facial Friday. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nikki, and every Friday, if I'm not like dying or something, I recreate a face chart, hence Face Chart Fridays. And this particular face chart was chosen by one of my favorite people, Brianna. She chose it, and it's really cute, so I'm going to do it. The only palette I'm going to need for this look is the James Charles and Morphe palette. So enough talking, let's get started. Before we get started, disclaimer, if I'm looking that way, it's because my phone is on a stand, so I can see the picture while you see the picture next to me on one of these sides. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, obviously, but if I'm looking that way, it's because I'm looking at the picture. Okay, now let's get started. So for this look, I'm going to be using the same 3 colors from this palette, and then for the lighter shades, I'm going to use a little Super Shock Shadow thingy thing. I really just need to write the names on underneath because this little slip is annoying. So I'm generally going to stay on the bottom 2 rows, but like, wow, it's so heavy. Like in this area, the bottom 2 rows. So the blues, purples, and pinks, mostly the blues and blues, purples, and pinks. Now that I look closely at it, the shades I'm going to use first are Skip, which is the bright pink shade, and I think I'm going to mix Escape and Cola for the other side. So basically, I'm going to be taking Skip, this purple shade here, Escape, and then this blue shade here, Cola. I have my 2 brushes, and I'm ready to get started. So I used the ColourPop concealer in dark 40, medium dark 40, one of those, to obviously semi-cut the crease. I'm going to go into the shades, again, since still using the same shades, I'm going to go into the shade Skip for this side and Cola for this side. Now to deepen the corners of each side, for this side, I'm going to take, what was this? Escape, this purple shade. I'm going to use the purple shade because it's actually darker than the blue. And then for the blue pink side, I'm going to be using this shade Single. Now I'm going to take the shade Ring Light, this one here, and put that. I already put the glitter down just so I could map out where I'm gonna put this shade. So kind of cheated just a little bit, a little bit. This is such a nice shimmer shade, actually. It was so much easier thanks to the glitter. Now it's time for the lower lash lines. So I'm going to be using those same shades. Skip, which is this pink shade, and Cola, which is the blue shade. And I'm going to map out the lower lash line part. I'm dying. And again, if like I'm watching cartoons, obviously. When am I not watching cartoons? That's a great question because I'm pretty sure I'm always watching cartoons. Don't judge me. Cartoons are life. And they keep me from going crazy, so there's that. And then I'm going to, like, because this brush has the Cola and the other brush has the Skip, I'm just going to take these same brushes and switch sides. I almost touched the wrong color. That would have been interesting. On this side it looks like I have a black eye. That's lovely. That's always fun. I don't want to mix the pink too much because then it's going to look purple. See? Now it looks purple. But I kind of like it. And I've already done my contour. However, if you look, it's like contour, but then there's like purple blush. And I don't have a purple blush, so I'm going to be using this palette. Get creative. Taking the shade Single. I think that's the name of that shade. It should be the name of that shade. And I'm going to use it as a blush and contour for my right above my brow area. Now, if you've been here a while, you know that I love my Hello Gregory Unicorn Frosting loose highlighter, so that's what I'm going to be using to highlight my face. For lips, it's like a berry shade, but then there's like, it's like light in the middle a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be using. Well, those are the colors I'm going to try to imitate. So I'm going to be just taking the Bretman Rock Duke's Lippy Pencil, and then this mini lip in the shade Cookie. And this is the finished look. I was gonna curl my hair, then I changed my mind. I actually like how this looks. The glitter is something else though. Anyway, thank you, Brianna, for choosing this. I really like it. It's cute or whatever. I look very shiny. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But that is it. This is finished. I like it. I was really scared at first, especially with the glitter. But we did it. And I didn't color my nose because obvious reasons. But next time when I'm able to, and I don't have to go anywhere or do anything, that would be, this would be, the nose would be inappropriate, unprofessional, I'll do it. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know. Bye.